Why are you doing that?
Because you can.
I'm not drunk.
No.
I'm not.
No, you're not.
Just have the hiccups.
Yeah, no, you're not drunk.
I'm not. See, I'm normal.
I'm gonna stay away. I don't want you throwing up on me.
All I had was a bottle of wine.
Twice. And 2 beers.
I'm not drunk, Mateo. Shut up. You're not allowed to lie.
Her and Auntie are like the exact same when they're drunk.
No, we're not. I'm not even drunk. I'm so not
Yeah,
drunk.
that's what Auntie would say.
All I had was a couple glasses of wine.
What?
Glasses or bottles?
Glasses.
You might have got them mixed up.
No. Mateo. Tony?
What?
Would you stop taking a video of your mother? You know what? This is what they call parent abuse. I'm tired. Okay, Mateo, you're grounded if you post this on internet.
On internet? Is that how you
On
do it?
the World Wide Web.
He's so drunk.
Oh my god. No, I'm not drunk, honey.
I swear, I'm posting this on YouTube. You cannot have us late. This will be up by the time you're asleep.
Whatever, I'm asleep now. Okay, I'm gonna get up and watch a movie.
Yeah, I can totally see that.
I'm done. No more hiccups. Damn it. Ozzy! Blue! Come here!
Oh my God.
Damn it.
Tony!
Yeah.
Come down here, please.
Would you stop videotaping me? Oh my god.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Huh?
I'm posting this on my YouTube channel.
You know what? You should do it. I have a tiger. That's the song I want at my funeral.
What?
I have a tiger. Right? Is that not an awesome song?
Oh my
Or wait a
God.
minute. What was the song? What was the girl band? No. What was the girl band?
I don't know.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm thinking. How about shit. What's a girl band? Like the Bangles? No, not the
Go-Go's?
Oh, the Go-Go's. That's it. Okay, what song do I want from by the Go-Go's? I have to have a me song. What's the me song? I need a song that's fitting for me.
Happy.
Come on, let's get happy. Oh, so happy! Oh my god. Would you go away here? Oh my god, I felt the bubble. You smell. Little shit. You know what? Fuck off.
You swore at your son.
It did. Don't post that. It's wrong. You're gonna bleep that out, right? Tony, are you gonna make me a tea?
No.
No? I want Earl Grey.
No. You're not gonna drink.
Okay, let's just leave her on the...
I am. I'm going upstairs.
No, I'm gonna go change. We're gonna watch a movie.
I'm not watching a movie with you.
Why?
Cause you're drunk.
I'm not drunk.
You
Most people that are drunk cannot speak.
can't.
No, I can speak. God, except for the hiccup.
You had trouble even saying that sentence.
I was gonna have pizza, but I think Raisin Bran is better for me, so I'm having Raisin Bran.
Oz.
I'll meet you guys upstairs.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Do you need me to carry you?
No, I'm fine. I'm not drunk.
Okay. Get up. Get up.
But the couch is so comfortable. Okay, fine. Don't touch me.
God, you're so drunk.
Has nothing to do with anything other than I need to look fine. You know what? Why have you not been put up for adoption is what I want to know. Damn it. Your real mother is out there looking for you. And she's going, where is that perfect stuff of mine? And I'm like, Joe, it's not perfect. Oh, shit. I got hot water to drink. No, you did that on purpose, you little shit. Enough! I'm fine.
You're not fine.
I am. I'm gonna go put my PJs on.
I want to see you walk up the stairs. This is gonna be fun.
Okay. Enough! Now it's not funny.
Yeah, you're still drunk. You can't even figure out the light.